If you're not getting enough impressions after a while, then I'm sure that you made some mistakes in your account. So Google just make your account not visible as before. They need 2 months. They usually need 2 months in order to understand and to learn how do you serve their leads. And after 2 months, they usually take a decision if they want to penalize your account or slow down it and give you not enough impressions. So be aware of that. It depends on which stage of the advertising you are.